Welcome to the Sierra eGuard training module. Sierra is recognized as the worldwide leader in recreational marine engine replacement parts and components. With more than 40 years of marine engine knowledge, the pros at Sierra understand that one of the most important aspects of engine performance is the quality and type of fuel you put into your engine. The introduction of ethanol-blended fuels created many issues for boaters to deal with. Fortunately, Sierra's eGuard is a multifunction fuel additive specifically formulated to solve the problems caused by ethanol-blended fuels. Sierra's eGuard can dramatically improve marine engine performance. This module will review the facts about ethanol fuel and the problems it can generate. Then, we'll review eGuard's unique formula and how it addresses ethanol-related issues and how eGuard will continually improve your marine engine's performance. Ethanol is a predominant additive in most parts of the US and Canada. It is designed to lower carbon emissions in gasoline engines. After many years, debris can build up and clog fuel systems. Ethanol works as a solvent which cleans the fuel system. This cleaning action can dislodge debris in your tank while clogging fuel lines and foul ignition components in combustible engines. Ethanol is also not compatible with rubber, cork, nitrile, or neoprene components. Over time, ethanol-enhanced fuel will deteriorate any component not ethanol-proof. Ethanol is hygroscopic, meaning it draws moisture from the air. Boats have open fuel systems, allowing moisture to be drawn into its fuel. After a very short period of time, ethanol-based fuels will begin to separate in two layers. This is called phase separation. Left untreated, the shelf life of untreated ethanol-based fuel is less than 90 days. Unfortunately, many common fuel additives on the market contain alcohol. Because alcohol is also hygroscopic by nature, when used in your fuel tank you are adding even more moisture drawing elements to your fuel system. Lastly, because ethanol does not produce as much power when burned, engines do not perform as well with ethanol-based fuels. Power loss can be more than 20%, which robs your engine in performance and, most importantly, fuel economy. If possible, always run non-ethanol fuel. Always run proper fuel filters to trap debris dislodged by ethanol's solvent attributes. Sierra 10-micron water separating filters are the best. Change filters at least twice a year if you're boating year-round. Run an ethanol-specific fuel additive at all times. Try to avoid long-term storage more than 8 months. Sierra eGuard is a multifunction fuel additive specifically formulated to solve the problems caused by ethanol-blended fuels, from E5 to E85. It prevents gum deposits that can clog carburetors and injectors. eGuard will also remove any existing gum or carbon buildup by breaking these deposits apart so they can be burned off with the fuel. Sierra eGuard significantly enhances the combustibility of fuel so it burns better than untreated fuel. eGuard treats water attracted to ethanol fuel by dispersing it throughout the fuel. These small particles are then vaporized in the combustion chamber without affecting the performance of the fuel or engine. Removing water reduces the chances of phase separation. What are the results of using eGuard? Improved engine power, performance, and fuel economy. Avoids the formation of carbon deposits. Engines are more reliable, start easily, and run smoothly. Maintenance is decreased because engine is cleaner. Keeps fuel fresh for a year, making it ideal for stored fuel or for use in boats that are placed into long-term, seasonal storage. eGuard works in all sizes and types of gas-powered engines. As an ethanol-specific fuel treatment, eGuard is formulated for use with each tank fill-up. eGuard is suitable for ethanol-based fuels from E5 to E85 or non-ethanol fuel. eGuard keeps moisture in the fuel suspended and attached to the fuel molecule. This attraction helps prevent phase separation and allows the moisture that is absorbed by the fuel to be burned off cleanly with gas and not settle to the bottom of the fuel tank. eGuard cannot be overmixed. 1 ounce will treat 10 gallons of gasoline, but adding more will not harm engine components. It's compatible with all other current engine additives on the market and with 2-cycle oil. Although formulated specifically for ethanol-treated gasoline, eGuard can be used in diesel fuel without any harm to diesel-operated equipment. eGuard prevents gum buildup in boat fuel tanks and engine components like VST tanks. eGuard helps to maintain fuel chemistry and slows down the evaporation process, which directly leads to gum, varnish, and other deposits throughout the fuel system. eGuard comes in 3 convenient sizes: 8 ounce, 1 quart, and 1 gallon.